Hello students. Today let's get to know about the topic Fashion Adoption Theories. I am Aishwarya B. Kumbar from Department of Home Science. So in a fashion or in a fashion industry, a style will emerge, right? A style, certain period of time, the style will emerge and it fades away, right? See, you can see the slide. A style, it should go through the fashion cycle. What it means? It means the style has to reborn and it should accept the fashion for a certain period of time. And this fashion movement will be sometimes slow and sometimes fast. You can see the slide. So in a fashion cycle, the cycle is rotating, right? In a clockwise direction, that is, first the style is introduced and then it gets popularized and then the style fades away. What does this cycle mean? First, at a very beginning, the style will get initiated or it get introduced, right? And at a certain period of time, it gets popularized and everyone start to wear that, right? Wear that style or wear that clothing. And after a certain period of time, the style gets fade away. So you can see the slide. In this example, you can see the skinny jeans or what we call a pencil cut pant, right? And what is another one? Another one is what? Taid or the taid jeans, right? Or ripped jeans, which we call. See, for a certain period of time, the skinny jeans or the ripped jeans were very popular, right? I hope you also has worn this kind of pants, right? Yeah, at certain point of time, these pants were very popular and everyone wanted to buy it and everyone wanted to showcase it, right? Everyone want to wear it because it was in a very trending mode, right? Hashtag trending. Yes. So, after a certain period of time, it faded away. Right now, do we really wear these pants? If we wear, so what happens? We are what we call, we are out of the fashion, right? Yes, we are not into the hashtags, right? We are now out of hashtags if we wear such things. No problem, but still, we are out of the trending. So, what is trending now? You can see the slide. The trending pattern or the trending styles in jeans right now is the one baggy cargo and another one is cargo pants and one more wide leg pants and one more is boot cut pant. Now, let's know about the theories. What are these theories? How this fashion get into adopted? These are the theories which will help us to know the trending or the emerging fashion styles. So, the first theory is trickle down theory. What is this trickle down theory? This trickle down theory is taken into a pyramid shape or the triangle shape where the uppermost strata or the rich people or what we call elite people are at the top of the point or the top of the triangle and the lower strata or the lower socio-economic groups at the lower strata of the triangle. So, what does this mean? What does this picture indicates? You can see in the slide where the arrow mark is from top to bottom. What does this shows? This shows that the first style or the trending is starts from the elite or the rich or the upper strata people where they buy and they start the trending styles. And then what happens? After getting trending, the middle and the lower income strata people start to wear it as a style. This is what we call it as a trickle down theory from upper to lower. This is what the trickle down theory is. And now let's know about the second theory. You can see the slide. It is nothing but the trickle across theory. What does this mean? In this theory, there is no triangle, right? Okay, there is no triangle. This theory is proposed by Charles King in the year 1963. This fashion is also called as horizontal flow or the fast fashion. And here the mostly we focus on the mass production. So what happens in the trickle across theory? See, the trickle down is from top to down and trickle across is from right to left or the left to right. So it's a horizontal. So it's called as a horizontal flow. So here what happens? I think you have seen a lot of trending in mass production or the fashion production, that is we wear a same type of clothing, right? Right. I think you have seen about this trending stores, Zudio, Mango, H&M and Zara, right? Have you heard of these brands? Yes. Here what happens, they produce a lot of production, that what we call as mass production, which helps everyone to wear a same kind of styles. That is why we call it as a horizontal. There is no upper or the lower strata. Here everyone is equal. So here the fashion itself is a across theory, that is everyone is equal in this phase or in this theory, so that elite people can also wear the same style and even lower income people can also wear the same style. Here there is no upper and the lower segregation. This is what the second theory explains. And the last and the final theory is bottom up theory. What does this mean? It means that, you can see the slide here, we shows it into a triangle shape where the theory goes from bottom to top. So here what happens, the lower income group are much more freer, and here the greater advantage is to the middle class people. So this pattern in this theory, it's a very unusual dress pattern. It's not like a very formal or it's not like a mid-formal. It's a very unusual or a very, we could say it's not a very formal kind of pattern. In this theory, we can see a very new emerging kind of trends or a very emerging patterns, right? Where here what happens, very unique kind of patterns can be seen. But this can be seen from bottom to top. So you can see the picture here. This style of theories is called as punk fashion. You can see the picture where the funky style is copied from lower strata to the upper strata. This is how the three types of theories are formed, and I hope you understood about these theories very well. So at last, thank you.